This is an unboxing of the FiFine Ampligame mixer, which was sadly kind of suffer a little bit of a dent in the shipping, so really doesn't matter. This was sent to me by FiFine for the purpose of making content about it. However, no compensation was exchanged or received from them. All opinions are my own, and this one is just the unboxing so that we can see what's inside the box. So upon opening it, we get a little manual. This is the SC3 model, by the way. And let's see, the device itself, it feels kind of nice. It's got a little bit of heft to it. It's let's see, it's plasticky, but it feels rather nice, actually, high quality plastic. Now you see the faders, they're linear faders. They do have a little bit of a wobble, but they do feel smooth when sliding. This one has a little bit more resistance. It seemed that this one had a little bit more resistance. Yeah, it does. It is a little bit more resistant to sliding than this one, just by a very small margin. And then the other ones feel about the same, kind of. Nice sliders overall. Now they got this button that I presume is for the RGB. This is your effects for voice changer. And we got some custom buttons for sounds, okay, that you can record for yourself. You can mute the 3 channels. This one is a mic monitor, so I'm presuming that this is for the headphones. So again, this is an unboxing, not a review. And yeah, it's got 48 volt support for your condenser microphone, so I'm going to be testing that, of course. Okay, so what else is in the box? Only the padding, and we got 2 cables, one of which is a TRS to TRRS, so that you can plug in your smartphone. So that's great. And it says the TRS cable goes into your smartphone, whereas the TRS connection goes into the headset portion of your, or the line out rather, of the headset. So this is only for line out. Okay, it's very specific. So this just so that the console, the mixer here, can send audio into the headphone or the microphone port rather of your smartphone. That's why you plug in this part into your smartphone. Okay, and let's see, USB cable, because this is a USB interface and the cable is USB-A, but with an adapter. Excellent. I really like it when they come with this type of adapters in the same cable. You don't have to go hunting for another cable. And you got the USB-C. So the unit itself is USB-C, as you can see right here. So this one goes to the PC, or it's OTG, so you can plug it into your phone as well. All right, so you got a headset, you got a switch right here for dynamic or condenser microphones. And yeah, line in, headphone, and line out. So this is what you get in the box with the FiFine SC3 Ampligame mixer. So thank you for FiFine for sending this to me, and I hope that this unboxing video was helpful.